Hey guys, welcome back. Today we have 938 range sum of BST. It says that given the root node of a binary search tree meaning that this is ordered such that for every node, everything on the left is smaller than this value, everything on the right is greater than this value. So we have that, and two integers, low and high, return the sum of values of all the nodes with a value in the inclusive range of low and high. So inclusive, including both low and high. And once again, this is a binary search tree, so we don't have to explore all the nodes, only the nodes which is within low and high. And so I do have the code here, and I know it helps to go through. So this is a preview of what we're gonna write, and then now let's get to the writing part. So we're gonna have some helper function which takes in some node, and we're just going to return whatever is the result of passing root into this recursive helper function. Now within the helper function, there's the base condition where if there's no node, then you return 0. It's irrelevant and we don't need to have any total. Otherwise, we can initialize total to be 0. That is 0. Now we make use of the fact that this is a binary search tree by saying we're going to add so first of all, we're going to make sure to return the total so that we have something to return when we call this. Now let's check if the node value, if the current value is greater than or equal to low. So if it's between low and high, which we have over here as inputs, then only do we add the current value to total, only if the current node's value is in the inclusive range of low and high. Okay, so we're done with the root or the parent. Now we check both children. If node.val happens to be greater than whatever is low, that means we can actually explore the left substrate, because whatever is on the left is guaranteed to be less than the current node's value. So if this node's value is greater than whatever is the left boundary, then we can also add to our total whatever is the result of recursing into node.left. And similarly, if the node.val is less than high, if it's less than high, then that means we can explore going forward, because we'll be within the range, and we'll say total plus equals recurse into node.right. Then at the end, we are already returning total, and this is the solution. Let's give it a go. And submit. That's once again 938 range sum of BST, where we make use of the fact that this is a binary search tree and we have some inclusive range of low and high. Then we just have a singular helper function that initializes to 0, and yeah, there's a base condition. If it's a none, then we return 0. Otherwise, as long as the current node's value is within the inclusive range, we add it to the total, as long as we are able to recurse into the left subtree, we do that. And then similarly for the right subtree, and we return the total. Thanks so much. Happy coding. See you next time.